Hello and welcome to FountainFX at the end of a busy week. It's Friday the 22nd of May, and I'm just going to quickly summarise the activity that's happened the week past, and we can take a look at the week ahead in terms of news and possibilities. So, looking at the chart that we've got here, we're on the 15-minute chart of the Euro-US dollar, and on Monday, opening of the week, we didn't see a lot of activity. Price did give us a very nice sell-off candlestick pattern here and a nice collapse, and then price then continued to fall from the 114.40 at the start of the week. So what happened the rest of the week? Did it continue to fall, or did we start to find some support? Well, if we move through the week, we can see that on Tuesday morning we had some major euro news come out, and that saw a further collapse in the euro. Fell a good from the 113 all the way down to the 111.70, so created a nice level there to stop, but that was a great fall. We did take some serious pips on that in terms of our WhatsApp group, so that was a great opportunity there on the euro news trading. That afternoon we had some further US dollar news that came out and saw the price having pulled back, see the euro continue to fall against the US dollar for another 50-60 pip trade that afternoon. So news was very much helping us in terms of volatility and direction. So what happened then on Wednesday? Well, Wednesday we didn't really see a lot during the Wednesday, other than in the evening, Wednesday evening, we had some US dollar news come out, and we can see that basically caused price did get back up to an area of resistance, but at that point we did see the news come out and it did force the price to fall further. That was with Fed Reserve minutes, etc. Following morning, in terms of Thursday morning, we did see some European news come out, and that saw a great reversal in the marketplace. Serious, strong candlestick pattern here, reversal pattern, and it then saw price rally on the euro with some positive data out of France and Germany. So we can see there's a pattern here that when the news comes out, it does cause volatility in the marketplace, but it does cause momentum in one particular direction or the other based on what the news is. So we saw positive data and we saw the euro rally from the 110.95 all the way up to the 111.70, so good 70 plus pips move there, only for the afternoon news to come out on the US dollar, strong US dollar news, and saw the euro then top out and fall. So another sort of 50 points traded in the opposite direction. So what happened then on Friday the 22nd? What happened today? And we saw that this morning there was some news that came out. It was a bit range bound, sort of bouncing sideways, took a long time to get going, but basically with the euro news it saw positive growth in the euro against the US dollar and pushed it all the way up to the 112. A great move there. Good 50 points of trading happened in the morning session. However, the key thing was in the afternoon session with US dollar news, which was very positive for the USD, we saw a massive collapse in the euro against the dollar, a collapse from the 111.70 all the way down to the 110. So a good 150 plus points was had, and if you consider this is a 15-minute chart, it was achieved within roughly an hour and a half, this collapse. So what we're actually seeing here is a clear statement, which the news does move the market and the news does create volatility, and if you get on the right side of it you can make significant trades. So you don't have to sit there and look at the charts all day. You can flick over and look at the news bulletins and choose that they're going to be the times when you're sort of looking at the market to be able to take advantage of price moves. So we are going to be doing a news trading course. For those of you that are interested, take a look at our website. We'll be releasing the details soon. And for those of you that are interested in opening live accounts and getting support on that, we have a WhatsApp group to be able to support those that do have live trading accounts with our brokers. And let's have a look at the week ahead. I'm just going to flick over to Forex Factory. Hang on a second. So looking at the week ahead, we have Monday. Monday's bank holiday in Europe. Britain, obviously Britain is classed separately from Europe when it comes to currencies. Swiss as well. Obviously, the Swiss franc, the euro, and the pound, they're all on holiday, and so's the US dollar. So don't expect a lot of activity in the euro US dollar. If it is, it's going to be coming from the Asian session. So not a lot of going on there. Don't bother. Just take a day off or trade, I don't know, the yen against the Aussie dollar or something like that. So what else can we say in terms of the rest of the week? Tuesday, US dollar information coming out on the at 2:30 and 4 o'clock our time. Good ideas to be looking at the market there, seeing if there's good data and if the market moves. Wednesday, you've got the Canadian dollar information at 4 o'clock, so great opportunity to be trading there. Thursday, if you're up early in the morning, then obviously you've got the Aussie dollar at 3:30 a.m., but it doesn't really set you up for the rest of the day if you're in the office. At 10:30, we've got pound information, so great opportunity to be taking a trade on the pound there, depending on what the news is. 2:30, you've got US dollar unemployment claims. 3 o'clock on Friday, you've got New Zealand dollar. And 2:30 on Friday, you got the CAD and the US dollar at 2:30. So that's really the news information coming out there, the sort of times that you might want to be looking at the market. Prior to that, set up looking at levels, looking at whether or not the market's flat or if it's moving, and therefore what the opportunities are going to be once the data comes out. So that's really it from FountainFX. Have a great week, and we will catch you next Friday. Thanks very much. Bye-bye.